welcome to another one of our educative videos designed to enhance your online shopping experience from within MyBidfood. In this video, we will be discussing all the digital product information that's available to you. For a lot of the products that we sell, there is a huge amount of useful information that has been stored for you to read or store digitally once you have downloaded it. Info such as what type of allergens may be contained in a product, whether or not a product is halal or kosher certified, even what type of food usage the product is best used for. In my example on the screen in front of you, I did a keyword search to find this bacon product, cooking with diced bacon. As you can see, once the search completes, there is a little green icon with an eye on it. If you click on that icon, you will then go to the product information screen, and scrolling down, you will be able to access the different menus and to get to the information that you're looking for. There is ingredients, allergens, preparation suggestions, food usage, packaging, barcodes, handling and storage. These being just a few of the different fields that you'll be able to get access to and for you to read through. Should you want to store this information on your own computer, click on the Download Datasheet button. Once the download completes, you are then able to save this on your own computer for you to read through later. Stay tuned for more videos on MyBidfood.